Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Python and C++ are both powerful programming languages with distinct features and use cases. Understanding the differences between them can help you make informed decisions when choosing a language for your project. In this tutorial, we will explore various aspects of Python and C++ and provide code examples to illustrate their differences. Python has a simpler and more concise syntax compared to C++. Python code tends to be more readable and requires fewer lines. Python has automatic memory management through a garbage collector, making it easier for developers to manage memory without explicit memory allocation and deallocation. C++ requires manual memory management using new and delete keywords. This gives the programmer more control but also increases the risk of memory-related bugs. Python is dynamically typed, meaning you don't need to declare variable types explicitly. C++ is statically typed, requiring explicit declaration of variable types. Python is generally slower than C++ due to its interpreted nature. However, for many applications, the performance difference may not be critical. C++ is a compiled language, providing better performance, especially in resource-intensive applications. Python is widely used for web development, data science, artificial intelligence, and scripting tasks. C++ is preferred for system-level programming, game development, embedded systems, and performance-critical applications. Choosing between Python and C++ depends on the specific requirements of your project. Python is excellent for rapid development and readability, while C++ provides better performance and low-level control. Consider the nature of your project, its performance requirements, and your personal preferences when making a decision. Remember that these are just a few aspects to consider, and both languages have their strengths and weaknesses. Choosing the right tool for the job is essential for a successful development experience. ChatGPT. Title: A Comparative Guide to Python Programming vs C++ with Code Examples. Introduction. Python and C++ are two powerful programming languages, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Choosing between them depends on the specific requirements of your project. In this tutorial, we will explore the key differences between Python and C++ and provide code examples to illustrate their distinctive features. Syntax. Typing. Memory management. Performance. Use cases. Error handling. Conclusion. Choosing between Python and C++ depends on your project requirements, development speed, and performance considerations. Python is great for rapid development and has a vast ecosystem for various applications, while C++ excels in performance-critical tasks and low-level programming. Understanding the strengths and weaknesses of each language will help you make an informed decision based on your specific needs. ChatGPT. Title: A Comprehensive Comparison Between Python and C++ Programming, a Tutorial. Introduction. Python and C++ are two powerful programming languages, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. This tutorial aims to provide a comprehensive comparison between Python and C++, covering various aspects such as syntax, performance, use cases, and code examples. Whether you are a beginner trying to choose a language for your next project or an experienced developer exploring new possibilities, this tutorial will help you make an informed decision. Python. C++. Explanation. Python emphasizes readability and simplicity with its clean syntax, while C++ is known for its explicit and powerful syntax. Python. Python is an interpreted language, and its execution is generally slower than compiled languages like C++. It is often used for tasks where execution speed is not critical. C++. C++ is a compiled language, offering better performance due to direct machine code execution. It is preferred for applications requiring high-speed processing, such as game development or system-level programming. Python. C++. Python. Memory management is automatic in Python, thanks to its garbage collector. This simplifies coding but may lead to occasional performance issues. C++. C++ provides manual memory management, allowing precise control over memory allocation and deallocation. While this provides more control, it requires developers to manage memory explicitly. Conclusion. In conclusion, Python and C++ cater to different needs and preferences. Python excels in simplicity and rapid development, while C++ offers performance and control. The choice between them depends on the project requirements, development speed, and performance considerations. This tutorial has covered syntax, performance, use cases, and memory management aspects to help you make an informed decision based on your specific needs. Whether you choose Python or C++, both languages have vibrant communities and extensive resources to support your programming journey. ChatGPT. Python and C++ are both powerful programming languages, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Choosing between them depends on factors such as project requirements, performance needs, and developer preferences. In this tutorial, we will compare Python and C++ in various aspects and provide code examples to illustrate their differences. Python's syntax is concise and easy to read, making it beginner-friendly. C++, on the other hand, requires more boilerplate code but offers greater control over memory management. Python uses automatic memory management through garbage collection, making it convenient and reducing the risk of memory leaks. C++ provides manual memory management, allowing developers to allocate and deallocate memory explicitly. This can lead to more efficient memory usage but requires careful management to avoid memory leaks and segmentation faults. Python is an interpreted language, which generally makes it slower than compiled languages like C++. However, Python has libraries and frameworks, example NumPy, that are implemented in C, providing high performance for specific tasks. C++ is a compiled language, resulting in faster execution times. It allows low-level optimization and is suitable for performance-critical applications, such as game development or systems programming. Python has a large and active community, with a vast ecosystem of libraries and frameworks. This makes it easy to find solutions and support for various tasks. C++ also has a strong community, especially in domains like game development and systems programming. The C++ standard library provides a rich set of functionalities. Choosing between Python and C++ depends on project requirements, development speed, and performance considerations. Python excels in readability and ease of use, while C++ provides better control over resources and performance. Understanding the strengths and weaknesses of each language will help you make informed decisions based on your project's needs. ChatGPT.